Hello, this is the Daily Forex Report for March 3rd. We're looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This pair surged to the upside, moved much higher. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 83.15, possibly as low as 81.35. Look for some resistance around 82.65 and look for some support around 82.00. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair moved to the upside, is moving higher, biased is higher. Look for it to potentially go as high as 141.09, possibly as low as 137.54. Look for some resistance around hang on one second. Look for some resistance around 4,000 and look for some support around 138.88. Okay, now the pound US dollar pair. This pair created an inside bar, did close down. Looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 1.6406, possibly as low as 161.79. Look for some resistance around 163.42 and look for some support around 162.50. Now the US Swiss, this pair has been moving sideways. It did move higher today. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 194.20, possibly as low as 0.9175. Look for some resistance around 0.9361 and look for some support around 0.9200. Okay, now what am I looking for during this next session? Well, interestingly enough, the US Swiss did move higher today. It has created a swing trade setup. Let me go ahead and draw this out. You can see it's fairly close to potentially breaking out. Normally, when I have a strong move to the downside and this starts moving sideways a little bit, I like to go ahead and throw on my Fibonacci retracement and my Fibonacci fan and look for that particular trade. And I'll go through that here in just a second. There we go, there's the fan. Normally what I like to do is go ahead and buy on those two lines or off of those two lines, which you could certainly do, and then look for it to come up to this line and basically sell when it hits one of these two lines, either the 38.2 or the 50 on the fan. You're buying at the 38.2 fan or the 23.6. But since we have the swing trade set up, probably what I'm looking to do on this one is go ahead and buy right over the 23.6 area. It's pretty close to this line here that we have from the swing trade opportunity. So go ahead and buy and then exit right here. It's a very quick trade, but I think you have a little bit better shot. It's about a 30 pip move basically over the next little bit, and that's basically going up about 20, exiting at about 50. So if we have a strong day during tomorrow's session, it could very well get through that area very quickly, especially with the non-farm payroll that we have coming out. That's being released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. And the consensus on that is that things have moved from 36K to 183K. Unemployment rate showing a move from 9.0% to 9.1%, and that's being released at 8:30 as well. Of course, that would be negative news for the US dollar if the unemployment rate goes higher. Well, I hope that helps. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.